This right here, these two items, these two ASUS ROG Republic of Gamers items right here may be the best, if not the best, combo of wireless mouse and wireless keyboard that I ever tried. And I tried many of them. I had many of them before, but I was looking for something pretty particular to have in my new mouse and in my new wireless keyboard. I'm going to show them to you in a close-up in a few seconds. I have them right here. But the bottom line is that these ones are really good. Not only talking about the keyboard, but also the mouse itself. It has a really high DPI and also something that I was looking for, which is many buttons. This one has like a gazillion buttons over here, and also a charging station. So you can actually put it at night and it's gonna be charging all night and you have full battery the day after. That's what I was kind of like looking for my mouse. And then I was looking for a compact, full RGB, mechanical, but also with a numpad keyboard. So this one has everything that I was looking for, even DNX Snow keycaps that are insanely soft and really good. So these are the boxes. Let's just jump on a closer look right now. So let's start with a quick comparison with the keyboard that I had before. Take a look at this. Take a look at the size of the keyboard that I had before, and take a look at the size of the keyboard that I have now, which is super compact, but also it has the same functions as the other one. You're gonna check it out right here. Take a closer look. It is super heavy. That's something that I really like, that is heavy. So that's actually going to give you a really nice support when typing. It also comes with a customized, this space right over here is going to be customized, as well as some other keys that you can replace and you can customize as well. It also comes with a knob right here that when you press it, you're going to have the mute, and then you can actually do up and down with the volume over here. So I think it's really cool. And you can actually, let's see if you can see it over here. So you can see all those functions over there. You can actually use that knob and assign the functions to this knob over here. But the best thing, it has a keypad. Let's actually hear some of the keycaps over there with the NX knob. And then just take a look at the mouse over here. It is insane how good this mouse is. It is the best one for sure for like MMO RPGs games, because all the buttons you have over here. It has an amazing grip over here as well. It is heavy. I really like that it's heavy. It is quite big, I have to say. You can see this one right here that in the palm of my hand is actually quite big, but I think that's on purpose and I really like it. And pairing with the charging base that I'm going to show you right now, it is actually really easy. It has a pairing button over there and a pairing button over here on the mouse. So the only thing you will do is just this. And since it is magnetic, you can actually have that charging all day. And take a look at this now. Right there in this corner on the screen, you can actually check the battery display, how much battery has left for both of the devices. And talking about the app, actually, this is another of the really good thing about this one. You have the Armor Crate app and you can actually do many things with just the click of a button over here, like syncing them both with actual Aura on the RGB lights as well. And you can actually change the DPI behavior that goes from 1600 to 19,000. And you can actually change those with just the click of a button over there on the actual mouse. And the same thing with the keyboard. You can assign the macros, you can sync them both, you can assign many behaviors for all the keys, and of course check the battery display as well as the behavior of the battery too. So my personal opinion on this too is that if you're looking for, number one, a compact, also mechanical, wireless, and with really nice and soft keycaps, this ROG Strix Sculpt 296 could be a really good decision for you, really good product for you if you're looking for something like that. Specifically for a compact one that also comes with a numpad, this could be the one for you. And if you pair it with this fantastic ROG Spatha X, which is, I think it's sword in Latin, you can actually see that this one with the charging case, with the charging station, magnetic charging station, with all the buttons and up to 19,000 DPI, could be both a really nice combo to have. You're not gonna regret it. I don't regret this one. It has been, I think, so far, and it's gonna be my best combo, like wireless keyboard and wireless mouse combo for both productivity and gaming. I like it. I do recommend them both with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.